My name's Tony Adams. I'm Engineering Director at Ionoptika. We make cutting-edge scientific equipment that's used for pharmaceutical, biological and materials research. Our products consist of a high number of custom-designed, high-tolerance machine parts, which are manufactured by UK-based subcontractors. Bill of materials typically consist of more than 500 unique parts with many sub-assemblies. Prior to adopting Priority as our ERP solution, we managed production via a huge number of Excel spreadsheets, which became increasingly difficult to control, causing significant problems with configuration control, BOM management and stock control, which clearly was a block to the company's growth. When looking for an ERP solution, we were looking for something that would grow with us, allowing us to add control to various parts of the business as we went. Priority offered us an accessible web-based interface which can be customized for each user and was available on both PCs and mobile devices. Priority was one of a number of ERP solutions we evaluated. From the start, it was clear that Medatech would work with us to understand our business and provide the support we needed to introduce the system. During the project, we worked closely with Medatech's team to make changes to the product to closely match how we were used to work. Our first task was to get Priority to manage our manufacturing process. Now, all our parts and BOMs are managed by Priority, allowing us to track changes, stock level, purchasing, manufacturing, and costs to a level that we've not experienced before. A huge amount of information is available with just a few clicks of the mouse. We can actually find parts in seconds rather than spend hours looking for them across the factory. We've now fully integrated our sales, purchasing and accounting functions into Priority, getting everything in the same place with a joined up, consistent workflow. Our business is seeing significant growth in prospects, which we can keep track of via the CRM module. We look forward to seeing what Priority can do for us in the future.